Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away again. They'll be in the description below. And I want to apologize to everybody for not posting much lately. I haven't been doing too well. But I've been making some stuff here to give away to you guys. I have several things. I put a few things out already. Anyhow, when you download it, go to titles and go to SDS titles. If you haven't already downloaded any of my stuff, it will put a folder in your system of my own. Then go down to SDS four corner logo zoom. And there they'll both be. The first one, if you click on it, it is transparent. You click on it, go to controls. You stretch it out, it'll come in and then go out at the end. You have all four corners. And to put your logo in, hit browse. Any logo will do, even round. If you need to move it, the coordinates, you have the center X and Y and size. Those are all one by one. This one's 1920 by 1080. Put something like that in there, it'll look funny at first. Hit reset size. And the second one's it has a built-in background. Just turn it on. You have all your colors, your gradient and all that. Drop shadow. And back to your controls. You can flip horizontal or vertical. And you have four positions. And again, they all exit. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.